Hi, I'm Eleanor Doolin.
And I'm Adam Hargreaves, and we're both recruiters within the IVD space. Today we're going to talk to you about sepsis. This is part of a series about innovation within the diagnostics market.
49 million people suffer from sepsis globally each year, which leads to a huge 11 million deaths. This equates to 20% of global deaths, or 20 deaths per minute.
The need for rapid detection in sepsis is clear, as every hour which goes untreated increases the chance of mortality by 8%.
We were lucky enough to sit down with Stefan Willemsen, former CEO of bioMerieux and board member of Sepsis Alliance, to learn more around the misconceptions of sepsis. Hi, Stefan.
Hi, how are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
Good, thanks. Blood infection can be a cause of sepsis, and in many cases is when an infection has transferred to the blood. But it is also often other infections that cause sepsis. And sepsis itself is not really an infection. It is caused by infections. And It can be viral infection and a bacterial infection that causes sepsis. Sepsis is really a reaction of the body's immune system to an infection that goes untreated for a longer time, or in a patient that has, for whatever reason, a very weak immune system.
BioFire are market leaders and are based in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Staying in North America, we have Accelerate based in Arizona. Over on the East Coast, there's T2 Biosystem based in Boston, who are working on antimicrobial resistance to sepsis. North of the border is Covella, based in Canada, with their own portfolio of rapid tests.
Europe is also a hotbed of innovation. German-based Opgen use bioinformatics and genomics to fight infection, whilst in Belgium you have Biocartis, who've just launched another sepsis test in October 2020.
We were lucky enough to speak with Jonathon Romanowsky, co-founder of Inflammatix, one of the most exciting startups working within sepsis at the moment.
Inflammatix is a molecular diagnostics company located in the Silicon Valley of California. We are developing tests for acute infections and sepsis, but in a very novel way. What our expertise is in our ability to interpret how the immune system responds to disease. We are applying very advanced bioinformatics and machine learning methods to be able to better detect whether an infection is present, what its type is, whether it's bacterial or viral, and how severe that infection is. And by being able to do this using very advanced bioinformatics, we are able to provide physicians the information they need to treat patients they feel are suspicious of an infection and/or sepsis.
We hope you found our look into the sepsis market interesting. Thanks to Stefan and Jonathon for getting involved.
If you've got anything you'd like to discuss, please get in touch.